Composting itself is a very difficult thing to explain to a child, to an adult. Like, the fact that food can turn into soil is a very crazy thing. I'm Shannon Hansen and I work for the Taupo District Council. We are at my tree hut in the Cubby looking at their food waste and how they compost using different methods.
Let's lift it. Ready? So composting was one of those things that Shannon brought to us, as well as bringing the worms and stuff, so we're able to find ways to reduce our waste.
Children peel their bananas and put their skins in the piggy bowl, and they see it go to Penny, and then Penny takes it into the garage and she gets her masher out and puts it into the bokashi bin and flattens it down and sprinkles the bokashi powder, and once every month to 6 weeks we'll bury it in the garden and the children come up with us.
So it shows the importance of what Papa Tuanuku can do for us and brings them into it, and they understand where it actually comes from, not just off shelves.
The first week of May is International Composting Awareness Week. So I think when a lot of people think of composting, they picture a giant heap that they're having to put in work and shovel it. Modern compost bins are super easy, super user-friendly. So we have a couple different subsidy options. All of the information is on the Taupo District Council website, and from there you can purchase your compost bins from wherever they sell them.